Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn off or disable user account control on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type user account. Change user account control setting. Open it. And you just need to drag this down guys. Drag it to down. Never notify me when apps tries to install softwares or make changes to my computer. I make changes to Windows settings. After that click OK. That will be you just disabled the user account control feature guys. You just need to set as default. You just need to back to the second option in here. Notify me only when apps try to make changes to my computer. This is the default one guys. You will want to change back to default. You just need to select second floor in this second. Just need to select it. You want to turn it off or disable, you just need to drag it down guys and select OK. That will be select disabled. Click OK, click yes. And that's it guys for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.